They lock eyes, then the cobra launches. The mongoose hits all fours, sprints straight in, and snaps at the head. The rhythm changes. Hesitation is gone now. And the fight tightens into something harder, faster, more desperate. Bodies shuddering in the dust. The cobra's coils whip in a frantic blur while the mongoose clings on. Tight, unyielding, determined not to be thrown. The mongoose attacks again, and again. He bites once at the skull, then again at the coils, while the cobra whips its coils in a violent shake, trying to fling it loose. The mongoose keeps its eyes on the head, because to bite the body is to lose. Coils will wrap, weight will crush, and the fangs will find their mark. Both fight back, brutally and without pause. The mongoose clamps its jaws onto the cobra's skull. Just behind the head, where control begins. Teeth punch through scale, a grip like a vice. The cobra bucks and whips its coils, trying to tear the bite loose. At last, the cobra lies half uncoiled, movements thinning, the body turning heavy. And still, the mongoose does not release. Jaws locked behind the head, biting again, harder, then harder still. Not rage, certainty, for no surprise of hidden breath of venom waiting in the fangs. Victorious after a fierce struggle, the mongoose stands over the cobra's motionless body, shaking its head in wary confirmation of death before settling in to eat its hard-won meal.